So here's what we did with this air controller. We replaced it with a brand new one. Here's the lid. Stick that on there. That's your actual air controller. But so we plumbed this. You can see this pipes, the way they are looped now. See, we made it easy on ourselves. We just came out, did a 90, another 90, series of 490s, and created what we call a loop. And we used flexible PVC pipe, and just look at all that nice flexibility right there. If there's ever any more stress on this particular fitting, that flex pipe is going to take up for it, and it's not going to break another air controller. So this job is complete. 5-year warranty.